I hate all of you. Why is he so mean all the time? You're the worst class I've ever had. We didn't do anything. You're all so stupid and... Hey there, everyone. It's the principal. What are you doing here? I'm just gonna watch in for a few minutes. Sounds good. Just pretend like I'm not here. You're all so smart. What a good teacher. Why are you being so nice now? I'm always this nice. You're a lot...
Skip this video if you don't love your mother. Which place would you choose for your mother? Click the follow, like, and share buttons if you choose heaven. I give you 3 seconds to choose.
I'm gonna go now. Don't leave us with him. That was a close one. Come back. You're all so dumb. I forgot something. I hate every one of you. I heard that. Whoops. You're fired. Later, loser.